Next one, granular epithelium. Granular epithelium. The granular epithelial. Nothing but what is that? Simple means single, compound means two or more, granular means a complex of the cells are together to formation of a tissue. Tissues are formation of the granules. So what is the granules or epithelial? Nothing but these cells are a complex of the cells. A complex of the cells are converts into glands. A complex of the cells are converts into glands. That is called granular epithelial cells. So these granular epithelial cells are two types. What is that? Exocrine glands and endocrine glands. The mode of secretion, these are can be classified into two types. What are the first one is exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine and endocrine secretion. What is the exo? What is the endo? Exocrine nothing but the glands are secretion of the gland substances, nothing but the glands are secretion of the hormones through the duct is called as exocrine glands. The glands are secretion of the hormones through the duct, that is called exocrine gland. The hormones are secretion of the glands are secretion of the hormones without the duct is called as endocrine. I will give the example. Salivary glands are secretion of the saliva through the duct, that is called as exocrine. Which secretion of this gland secretion through the duct is called as exocrine gland. Which are secretion of the gland substances without duct is called as endocrine. Example, pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretion of the hormone without duct is directly releasing into bloodstream. Exocrine glands means with duct. The secretion with duct. These are without duct. Okay, these are releasing into direct organ. So first releasing into bloodstream to organ. Clear? So we are only discussing exocrine and endocrine. Another gland is also there, that is called a mixed gland. So exocrine glands and endocrine glands also, and as well as a mixed gland. What is the mixed gland? The mixed glands are nothing but these glands are shown exocrine secretion and endocrine secretion. Sometimes it is secretion through the duct, sometimes it is secretion without the duct. So that is called as a mixed glands. Mixed glands are nothing but which glands are secretion of the gland substances. Mixed glands. Which glands are secretion? Which glands are secretion? Gland substances. Gland substances with duct. And sometimes without duct. So that type of glands are called as a mixed glands. Example, pancreas. The pancreas secretion of the insulin with duct and without duct. Okay, clear? So according to the mode of secretion, these can be classified into three types. How many types? Three types. Very, very important. In these three types, one question comes in examination for the 2 marks. First one, what is that? First one is merocrine glands. Holocrine glands. Second one is holocrine glands. Third one is apocrine glands. Merocrine, holocrine and apocrine. What is the meaning? What is the difference in between of these three one, and what is the meaning of the mero, holo and apo? So first we are discussing what is the mero. Mero gland nothing but the glands are secretion of the gland substances without loss of any gland substances. What I am saying is gland, merocrine gland. I will give the example later. The merocrine, the gland is secretion of the gland. The gland is secretion of the hormone without loss of gland substances. Are you clear? Without loss of the gland substances, the gland secretion of the hormone, those glands are called as a merocrine gland. Without loss of any gland substances, only secretion of the hormone. Without loss of, note down, without loss of any gland substances. So, substances. The glands are, these glands are secretes only hormones. So that is called as a merocrine glands. What is that? So this is a gland. The gland secretion of only hormone without loss of the any, without damaging of the any gland substances. Example, pancreas. The pancreas is one of the gland only secretion of the insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon without loss of any gland substances. Second one. Example, pancreas gland. Pancreas gland. Second one is holocrine gland. What is the meaning of the holo? Holo means complete. The gland secretion of the hormone along with the gland substances also comes out. The gland, that is one of the gland. The gland secretion of the gland substance, gland hormone along with the gland substances also comes out of the what is secretion, that is called as holo. The complete gland substances also comes out through the gland secretion, that is called holocrine. The complete gland substances are also comes out from the gland substances. Example, sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands are secretion of the sweat glands are secretion of the glands. The glands are secretion of the sweat along with the sebum. Sweat along with the oil both are comes out of the body, so that is called as a holo. Holo means complete sweat along with the oil both are comes out of the body, that is called as a holocrine glands. Example, sweat glands and sebaceous. Sweat glands, sebaceous. Sebaceous gland, two glands. Next one, apocrine glands. What is the meaning of apo? Apo means anterior. Apocrine gland, crine means gland. So these glands are secretion of the hormone. These glands are secretion of the glands. What is the hormones? Along with the gland, some part of the anterior part of the gland substances. What I'm saying? So this is a gland. What I'm saying? This is a gland. This is a complete gland. The gland is secretion of the hormone along with loss of their apical part. This part is also lost. Hormone along with apical part both are lost. So that is called as a apocrine gland. Listen carefully. The gland is secretion of the hormone. The gland is secretion of the hormone along with the apical part of the gland substances. So this is known as a hormone. This is called as a gland substances. So the hormone secretion, this is the loss of the gland substance. Anterior region, I think apical region is completely loss of their which one? Their loss of their gland substances. Clear? The hormone along with the gland substance, some part of the gland substance, both are comes out of the body is called as a apocrine glands. Example, mammary gland. The what is that? The baby, the feeding baby. The baby is a what is that? Feeding what is milk along with some kind of tissues. Which tissues? Mammalian gland containing more number of the mammalian ducts. The mammalian ducts are releasing some amount of the tissues. The tissues along with the milk both are they are consumed by the feeded by the offsprings. So that is called as what is apocrine? Apocrine gland. The glands are secretion of the gland hormones along with some kind of apical part. Apical means anterior part of the gland substance is known as a apocrine gland. Example, mammalian glands. Mammalian glands nothing but breast. Mammalian glands. Mammalian glands are glands. So this is the topic.